So let's get started with our first objective and look at social media and its role in modern communication.
We're in the midst of a communications revolution. First, we had the pre-printing press era, when everything was written by hand. Next came the era of printed information as a result of Johannes Gutenberg's invention of the printing press, which meant books could be mass-produced rather than painstakingly copied by hand. Then in 1990 we were introduced to the World Wide Web, which changed the world as we knew it. And nearly 20 years on, our lives continue to be transformed through mobile communications, the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and machine learning.
One core element of the latest revolution is that of social media, which has now become ubiquitous in our everyday lives. While many cite AOL, America Online, as being the first social network with its member-created communities, which included member profiles, it was 2002-2003 when the first social media networks we're more familiar with today began to appear, with sites such as Friendster, LinkedIn, MySpace, and Facebook all emerging on the scene. Fast forward to today, 2018, and it's estimated there are 2.62 billion social media users around the world, and that number is expected to climb to more than 3 billion by 2021. When you consider these numbers and the amount of data that's being generated as a result, it's almost impossible to comprehend. Let's consider what happens in an internet minute. Google receives 3.5 million search queries, 4.1 million YouTube videos are viewed, over 46,000 posts uploaded to Instagram, 452,000 tweets are sent, 120 new LinkedIn accounts are opened, 900,000 people log into Facebook, and 156 million emails are sent. If you're interested to see exactly what's happening on the internet and social platforms by numbers, check out a great website, www.internetlivestats.com, which clearly articulates just how much data is being generated. Social media has taken the world by storm. It's impacted how we receive and share information, changed the ways we communicate and engage with each other, and transformed the way in which we conduct business. It's clear to see the important role social media platforms occupy in our everyday lives, from communicating with friends and family, staying up to date with news and current affairs, customer service, network, and marketing, to name but a few uses. Social has truly cemented its place as one of the primary forms of communication, and mobile is taking this to even greater heights. From law enforcement agencies who are using social to combat crime, members of the public using social as an information source during a natural disaster, to journalists who are using it to crowdsource news. Facebook and Twitter even played an integral role in the 2011 Egyptian revolution, when the world's media were refused entry into Egypt. The only way to get the word out to the outside world about what was happening was via social.